This meeting is all about our social agenda's values. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I didn't make these up. I ain't gonna take credit for them, yeah? But it's important that we go through these together and all agree that these are the principles we're gonna now start. Look, you're doing these kind of things anyway, and we've all subconsciously, been doing these in our day-to-day roles. However, it's good to just get them written out, put them in front of mind. I want you to stick these on top of your workstation. Yes, put it on the wall, put it on the window. So the first one, let's go around. Josh, do you want to read out the first value of the company? And it is kind of in order.
Care, give a shit. Emphasize with our customers. Understand them deeply. Understand the frustrations, needs and desires.
Well done, Josh. Primary thing we got to do, man. We got to give a shit. Anybody we speak to, anybody who's working with us, anybody who's even just a stakeholder, that's everybody who watches your stories, everybody who watches what we do as a company. We've got to care about them as well, because they're the people who are eventually probably going to work with us in the future, right? Second one, Bradley, you go ahead.
Area of excellence, master your game. So take ownership of your reputation and who you're becoming in social media marketing landscape.
What's that mean to you?
That means...
Is this familiar, by the way?
Yeah, all of them. So yeah, it is like we're all here as working as a team, but at the same time we're all building our own authority individually. And it is down to the reputation. And in social media marketing, it's all there. Do you know what I mean? So you're held accountable as well, you're out there. So yeah, I think it's a very big thing. Keep mastering your game.
Sweet. Jack, next one for you, bro.
Team, work together. There is no such thing as that's not my job. Your colleague might need your helping hand with something to 10x your performance.
Talk to me about that.
I think it's always good to have someone else's input, whether it's their role or not. It's always good to have someone else's input. So,
Yeah, another thing I'll say about that is, like sales team, delivery team, got two of the exact same goals when it comes to retention and whatever the other one was. So, the other one. Keep that one a bit quiet. But anyway, truth, if you feel it, say it. Josh, do you want to run through that one? J2?
Hold yourself and others accountable. Say it how it is. Truth is fine. Hold still is truthful work. Just being honest about the stuff that you do and how you're feeling and what you think.
Cool. George, next one.
Initiative. Act before you are asked. Go above and beyond for our clients. Act before our clients ask. That's an easy way to build a great relationship and keep them with us. Coming from our role from my role specifically, I guess it kind of comes with that first one as well. Care, give a shit about these people, and is at the end of the day we're here to help. And I think it's just about staying on the ball and I guess keeping ahead of the game, which we do, I think.
Love that. Right, and I'll finish on the last one. Enjoy yourself. Love the impact you can have. Enjoy the process. Learning, growing and improving can be painful. Remember that everything you do has an impact on delivering success on the bigger picture for our clients, their lives and their families. Yeah. So don't just think about, we're going to make them more money, we're going to generate them more sales. Genuinely think about the impact that's going to have on their own personal goals, which is what we tie into as well. Making sure they're getting what they want out of it. Them just having a more profitable or a more, or a larger business isn't the be all end all for them, so they can put it on their Instagram profile and drive around in a Lambo. It's what that does for their family, for their communities, for everybody who's involved, their staff. The more money they make as a business, the more staff they can hire, the more jobs, and the better our economy in the country. You know what I mean? Think about the bigger picture. You're not just, speaking to someone, you're changing lives.
Yeah.
That's how you need to approach everything, from the account management side all the way to the, bringing people on and telling them about what we do. Can we all agree on these values? Are we happy to produce? Cool, so every week we're gonna look at who exemplifies what best, right? So it's not just gonna be me talking about this. All of us collectively can talk about who they've seen do what specific thing in their actions and their roles. Yeah? One of those things, like care, this guy was on a call at 8 AM with a client today because they can't do any other time. That's giving a shit. You could say, that's not my job. I'm I'm going to be there at 9. Sorry guys, can't do the call. That could then lead to all types of bad things happening. Yeah. Cool. That's all I wanted to go through. Stick them up. I'm going to get some blue tap from downstairs. Any questions about these values? Sweet. All right, let's have a team shout. Social agendas on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Social agendas.